I hate you. She took it on the chin. That's what happened. Look at this. What did it hit just to knock a hole out of that? She's gonna start. She wants to live. Hey everybody, Mikey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video thanks to my good friends at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. They have a bunch of new cars and trucks and SUVs and semis and motorhomes and all kinds of things. Even that BMW 135i that I saw last week or 2 weeks ago, it comes up for auction tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to be watching for that one. That's a good little, that's a better Beamer, not a bummer Beamer like mine was. Anyway, we're going to check out some of the cars and trucks that you can park in your garage. And we're going to start off with, well, here we go. By chance, it's another Beamer. Here she is. How about a beautiful 2011 BMW 328i hardtop convertible. They got a little aggressive with someone, tried to push her away somewhere, and it just didn't work out for her. Damage-wise, okay, we're going to have a headlight, a bumper, probably a hood, unless you can straighten this out and fix it all up. As far as that damage, I don't see very much. Everything is really dusty out here because we haven't had any rain for a while. So please excuse all the dust. But this is what tells you it's a hardtop convertible. Okay, all the latches and everything right here. I like the color. I like the styling. What do you think about the wheels? I don't know. I don't know about the wheels. No more damage, no more damage, no more damage. I don't know if these tires actually fit the wheels. That's a little different right there. But all four wheels are holding air. Well, all four tires are holding air. There's a lot of tread on said tires. Let's jump inside and see what she looks like. White, a little bit of wear over black carpet. She's dirty. Wow, somebody did not ever clean the car. I'm going in. That's okay. I'm going in. I'm going in. I like the way it's set up. I like the way it smells. Let's see if she's going to start for us. Come on. There it is. So she does. Oh, we got some air conditioning. Let's listen to the bells for a little bit. Oh, okay, so we can't run her very long. We need some coolant. Nice little screen right there with the iDrive that hopefully still works. On the 135s, these quit talking to the screens up there, and it's kind of a big deal to fix. How do I know? Well, because I had a 135i. Yeah, remember the bummer Beamer I was talking about before? Let's see what the connected drive tells us. Roadside assist, BMW, customer service request. That's kind of cool. We'll go back. Navigation. Here we go. That's where we are, folks. I kind of like this wood right here. This is nice. This doesn't seem to fit, and it won't close. All right. I don't think the hood's even going to open. Yeah, even they've already tried to do the hood. The hood is latched closed, but the engine, it does sound good. We have 3/4 of a tank of gas, 85,000 miles. This seems like, I don't hear any whining for power steering, but it seems like there's a lot of effort involved with this. Okay, microguard filter. Well, that's a good sign. Let's close this up. Air conditioner works great. That's why the car smells so good right here. Okay, what do you think about this? Okay, this seat, there's little balloons in it, and they are so fully inflated. I'm doing like a back arch right here sitting in this seat. That's kind of weird. Anyway, though, the car looks good, runs good, goes into gear, goes into gear, goes into park. And yes, this works. All right, what do you think about this 2011 BMW 328i with damage on the front? Our radiator coolant problem went away. Smell-wise, she's okay. Yeah, she's okay. Let's open the trunk. Let's just kind of see what kind of junk is in the trunk. There it is. Oh. What did they haul? Wow. Okay, you got some. What did they put in here? This is horrible. Wow. Okay. That's a hot mess. Anyway, you can see how the trunk kind of opens, and then this will hold the hard top. The exhaust is certainly exhausting. Woo, that's hot. All right. Well, yep, soft close still kind of works. It'll pull it down. I do like this. I would drive this in a heartbeat. I really would. You can re-dye this. That's not going to be a problem at all. This has just come off. Does this work back here? Here we go. Look, you get your back seat people can have no legs. They don't get to have legs if they want to ride in here. But look how dirty this is. A good cleaning would fix it right up. Okay, let's check the bell. What was the bell for? Everything okay? Yeah. Engine-wise, she's perfect. Mikey liked this car. This is nice. Well, you know, I've been looking for a Cadillac. I have wanted one in my life for, I don't know, maybe a year or so. This is a 2008 Cadillac DTS. I just don't know if this one is the right one for me, because this one comes with some graffiti, and it comes with some issues. Someone has poked holes in the hood, and I guess this used to say, "I hate you." There you go. Can you read it? Yeah, I think someone, what was it? There were 50 ways to leave your lover.
50 ways to leave your lover.
This is not the way you do it. Look at all these. Someone came at this with a hammer. Someone came at this with a hammer, and what does this say? I found you. There you go. You can see it better on camera than you can in person. Look at this. There's your thumbnail right there. That's a great shot. Yep, someone got found out, and the other person just went to town on this car. North Star V8 DTC. I don't know what that used to say. What did it say over here? I hate you. They forgot the exclamation point over here. Look at that. Oh, there's this. What is this? Oh, that's the U. I hate you. Is that another U? I don't know. This is... It was a nice car before someone cheated on somebody. Look at the top. Look at this. All the way through. Oh my. I don't know. Is there damage on the inside too? Were they able to get inside and like spray paint or stab anything? I don't think so. I think it was locked. Inside is nice. A little bit of a smoke smell. Holy moly. This is... This was nice. These big old Cadillacs. It's just that North Star. The head bolt issues. The head gasket issues. 2000, what did I say? 8? I think they solved like the bolt issue. I want to say in 2004, 5 or something. Yeah, this is a 2008. I don't know if she has power. I don't know if... I don't want any bad juju, bad karma to follow me after this car. Oh, this was nice though. Whoa, you get both sets of keys. Oh, she's gonna start. She is. She's gonna start. She wants to live. See? She's alive! Oh, not the best sounding engine. Okay, let's adjust this. Change engine oil soon. 100,000 miles. low mileage. Check engine light is on. But this is perfect right here. I am getting to be so old when I'm looking at old grandpa Cadillacs and thinking how nice it would be to have one. This is, yeah. What are you going to do for all the holes? How do you fix all of the holes? Look at this. How do you fix that? I mean, it's all the way through, so when it rains, it's going to pour. This, yeah, somebody was really mad. I wonder if somebody went to jail for this. You know? Where's the hood latch? Here it is. There we go. There's your big old North Star. We have nice orange coolant. One of the engine mounts is okay right there. Oh, this came off. Oh, that could be a problem. Yeah, look at this right here. That has come off. So isn't that your water pump? Isn't the water pump on the other side? So isn't that supposed to be? I think so. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. That could be an issue. So I don't want this to run too long. Oh, I'm sorry to see that. But this is magnificent. What was that? Like the claw end of a hammer, a giant hammer? I don't know. Doggone, this is a... If I only knew the story. What is the backstory on this car? Oh my goodness. All right, well, we're going to call it quits on this because this deserves some research. I just wonder what that person did. You know, you assume automatically it was the guy that did something, but you never know. For a lady to take a hammer or something like that, I don't know. Yeah, but this was a nice car. This was a cruiser for sure. All right, let's move on. And finally, how about a little C-Class Mercedes that I may or may not have focused on in another previous video. She's a little squeaky. I don't know, have I done this car or not? You would think I would remember with these huge screens in the back seat to keep those kids busy. Yeah, while you're driving. I just don't know. Yeah, let's listen to the engine very, very quickly. Yeah, this is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, probably C300. May have some lights. Let's see if I can get this open. Here we go. Yeah, we need a definite idler pulley. That's really squeaky. That's crazy squeaky. I haven't heard one that bad in a long time. Other than that, damage, yeah, you're gonna need a bumper. And you're gonna need a wheel, unless the wheel is in the trunk. Power steering, yeah, that was an issue. I couldn't hardly turn it. Couldn't hardly turn the steering wheel. Check underside, so maybe we are missing some power steering fluid. There's how you check it right there. They've been using that reservoir for a long, long time. And see how the fan is kind of askew? Yeah, everything's kind of pushed, not like this, like this. Like someone, she took it on the chin. That's what happened. She took it on the chin, and that's why she's all squeakity. Other than that, she runs good. Let's see what's in the trunk. Do we have a wheel in the trunk? Thank you for opening. And yep, there it is. There it is. And it doesn't even, oh. Okay, yeah, the wheel's got some issues. The wheel's got a hole in it. What did it hit just to knock a hole out of that? Wow. Come here. Something, right? It hit like a spike in the road or something. Look at that. Yeah. There you go. How bizarre. How bizarre. How bizarre. Am I afraid of the car? No, because that stuff you can fix. The paint, everything else is fine. There may be something underneath that's a little cattywampus, but no one's going to see it, and you can fix it very easily. Or is it the fan? It's the fan hitting that hose right there. Look very carefully. See? The fan is very, very, very gently rubbing up against that hose because it's pushed to the back a little bit. Okay, so before we pop a hose, maybe you already did, and that's why the power steering doesn't work. I bet that's it. Look, we're fixing the car without even getting underneath. So she took it on the chin, pushed the fan back, it rubbed a hole in the power steering. See, I can't even get it to turn. I can't. She doesn't want to turn. But other than that, everything works. See, all the windows go up and down. This is an easy fix. This is an easy fix. This car I bet you could get for very little money, and you could turn it into something nice and get a little hair bow with it too. Okay, you know, believe it or not, I'm interested in this. I just want to see how many miles. Low fuel level, 188,000 miles. Still not afraid of it. Still not afraid of it. And this is why it smells so good in here. Yeah. All right, here you go. 2011 Mercedes. So, who'd you rather? The car with the karma or the Mercedes that took it right on the chin? I don't know. I'm not taking that car with bad karma. I don't need any more of that in my life. I've got haunted cars already. So this is something I'm going to think about. That's what the deal is here at IAA. You need to find something that would be an easy fix, usually something underneath the hood. If you're mechanically inclined, that's where you want to go. If you're not so mechanically inclined, look for a fender that you just need to replace. You can buy a fender in the same color, bolt it on. No one will ever know, and you'll have a great car for very little money. Easy, easy, easy. Folks, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we're going to have more videos coming out very, very soon. I have purchased another car. Maybe it'll already be out by the time you see this. But yep, Mike Dunn went and did it again. Yep, bought me one of them big old Mercedes. So take a look at that video if it's out. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.